In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear workspace tabs for new console sessions in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to streamline your workspace, this guide is designed to help make the process straightforward and stress-free. To get started, the first step is to navigate to the Salesforce homepage. Opening your web browser, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account if you're not already. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This is where you'll begin your journey towards a more organized workspace. Next, let's talk about personalizing your navigation bar. This is an important step because it allows you to customize the items that appear on your workspace, optimizing your environment by keeping only the most relevant tools at your fingertips. Look at the top of your page and you'll see the option to personalize this area. Go ahead and click on that. Now it's time to put your focus on the Edit Home app navigation items. This feature is crucial as it directly impacts how efficiently you can access different functions within Salesforce. When you click into this area, you'll see a list of apps available in your console. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you have a lot of apps listed, but take a deep breath. We're going to make it much more manageable. As you look at this list, you'll see an option to delete certain apps. This step is all about removing any apps that you don't use frequently. By reducing clutter in your console, you make your workspace more efficient and easier to navigate. Simply click on Delete next to any app you wish to remove from the list. Remember, removing an app here doesn't delete it from Salesforce entirely. It merely removes it from your immediate workspace, so you can always re-add it later if you change your mind or your needs evolve. While you're removing apps, choose those that you don't use on a daily basis. A good rule of thumb is to only keep apps that you find yourself reaching for regularly. This ensures a faster, more efficient use of your console by having just the essentials available. Once you've made all your adjustments, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located toward the bottom of the page or screen. Clicking this will confirm your changes and allow you to experience a decluttered workspace during your next console session. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully cleared and customized your Salesforce workspace, setting yourself up for a more organized and efficient workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you maximize your productivity in Salesforce.